Hello friends, today we are going to study about importance of human resource management. So before studying this module on importance of human resource management, please study the module on human resource management basics. The contents of this module are learning outcome, introduction, importance of human resource management and summary. After studying this module, you should be able to understand the importance of human resource management for an organization as well as a country. Human resources and its management not only play a very important role in the development of an organization or company, but it also has a very important role in the development of a country. The observed differences in development among different countries is largely due to the human resources factor. Even a small country with insignificant amount of natural resources can make suitable progress if it has quality human resources. All resources of a country will largely remain underutilized if the country lacks in committed human resources with right attitude. Therefore, the government must give special emphasis on creating a pool of skilled and quality human resources for the development of the country. The importance or significance of human resource management can be discussed from four different angles. Number one, national significance. Number two, social significance. Number three, professional significance. Number four, organizational significance. So let us first discuss the national significance of human resource management. As I have said in the introduction, effective management of human resources has national significance for the development of the country. A nation blessed with rich natural resources may remain poor and underdeveloped if it doesn't has the right kind of human resources to utilize its resources for the development and progress of the country. So, the attitude of the citizens of a country has a lot of contribution in the progress of the nation. Secondly, effective human resource management for a country also has social significance. Efficient and proper human resource management of a country enhances the dignity of citizens by satisfying their social needs as well as other needs. If these needs are not satisfied, this may create social unrest in that nation. Therefore, the government, to promote social harmony, must put emphasis on balancing the jobs available and number of job seekers according to the qualifications and skills of its citizens. Providing suitable and productive employment and bringing psychological satisfaction to its citizens or the job seeking younger generation, promotes social harmony. Therefore, the government must put emphasis on reducing waste of human resources. Otherwise, it may lead to social disorders like Maoism, insurgency, etc. Thirdly, human resource management has professional significance. A healthy working environment promotes teamwork among the employees and in the process helps in achievement of organizational goals. This may be done by maintaining the dignity of employee as a human being, providing maximum opportunities to employees for personal development, and creating and enhancing healthy relationship between different departments of the organization so that the organization works effectively. Also, special emphasis should be given on improving the skills of employees and their capacity and taking corrective measures to correct the errors of wrong postings or allotment of work by proper reallocation of work. And lastly, human resource management has organizational significance for the company or enterprise. Effective human resource management help the organization in achieving its organization vision, as I've said earlier, by creating right attitude and mindset among the employees through effective motivation and effective utilization of available human resources of the organization. It helps in securing cooperation among the organizational employees for achievement of organizational vision. Organizational problems are mostly social or related to human nature. So, human resource management has organizational significance to a great extent. So here is a summary of this module on importance of human resource management. Human resource management play a very important role in the organizational development from the perspective of a company or enterprise, as well as it has a very crucial role in the development of the nation. The importance of human resource management can be discussed from four different angles. Number one, national significance. Number two, social significance. Number three, professional significance. And number four, organizational significance. In this competitive business world, organizations can flourish only through the efforts and competencies of its employees. So, human resource management is very important for organizational success as well as success of a nation. Thank you.